Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the change isn't blocked. Back up your device now. Once done, spend any remaining Apple ID balance and cancel active subscriptions or leave family sharing, because Apple requires a zero balance and no memberships. Make sure you have a payment method and billing address valid in the destination country and sign into Icloud. Apple. COM to verify contact info. These first steps remove common roadblocks and let you move straight into the account settings flow. Now perform the account change on your device. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and view account. Choose country/region and select Change Country or Region. Pick the new country, then enter the billing address and a payment method issued there. Apple validates these fields. Agree to the terms and conditions because legal changes are required for purchases. If you use multiple devices, repeat or verify on each one once the account updates. Since content availability and subscription, finish by checking that the App Store, subscriptions, and iCloud services reflect the new country. Sign out and back into the App Store if apps or billing don't update. If you're blocked, recheck for any leftover balance, active subscriptions, or family sharing links. These silently prevent region changes. If payment methods are rejected, confirm bank allows cross-border billing or use a local card. Should errors continue, contact Apple support with your Apple ID details. They can resolve account-specific holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.